The body consists of these two pieces. This is the chest, this is the torso. The torso has the butt and the belly. The belly is quite flat because if I made it rounder, the legs won't attach as well. So I also wanted to get cheap in the use of paper, less superficie. Okay, it has many tabs. The only thing you can do is glue these two first, then these two, then the last of the flaps. Okay, we'll do that. Then it will be way easier in this direction than in the other because but it's alright to do it in another way. It's just what I come to understand after making so many models. This is the best order if you want to call it. Okay, now it's taking the form it's supposed to have. You will, with your finger, press here so it will look a little more square and just stop, fold the flaps here. Look something like this. This, you will fold it like this. Okay, then you glue them. It seems that my glue is getting old and so it doesn't paste like it's supposed to, so I have to press more time. But when finished, must look something like this, which is inside the toes and you rotate it. Okay. This is the chest. Okay. Now the torso. Now it's the time to cut the little line that is right here with the cutter. There will be inserted the tail, so just need to cut carefully. And this is one of the places where it's good to have a thicker paper than the the wobbly one I showed in the last video. The common one, it will thoroughly break because it's so small the distance between the borders. It must break, so please be careful if you are using that paper that is way too thin to work on it. Okay, put the glue on the three flaps. There is no need to make more flaps there. You can do like this first, then this, or in reverse, this first, then this. Whatever suits you best or you feel most confident to make will be nice. When I designed the pieces, I wanted people to try different things. I didn't expect it to be so troublesome like this for some persons because I didn't use guide to make the patterns like everyone else is doing papercraft models. I wanted to try something different, and I guess now it backfired by making people anxious when they make and have no instructions. Reason of the reason main reason why I made these videos